Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use CoinMarketcap for beginners. CoinMarketcap is the best place for you to get any information in regards to stuff like cryptocurrencies, forex, etc. This can be, for example, prices of different cryptocurrencies. It can be information on different exchanges. It can be different places for you to learn about the markets, etc. So first, head over to CoinMarketcap, and if you don't already, create an account. Once you've created an account, you'll see there's different categories here on the left-hand side. Each of these different categories holds different subcategories. For example, in the cryptocurrencies, you can see, for example, rankings of different cryptos, categories, etc. Exchanges shows different exchanges. So, for example, as you can see here, you can see Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, etc. In the community tab, you'll see lots of different posts that people make in regards to crypto or anything else. In the products category, you have a converter. This will be, for example, for Forex. This will show the value of, for example, in this case, Bitcoin to USD. And you can choose from anything that you'd like. In the products tab, you also have airdrops and diamond rewards, which will show different things that you can redeem with your CoinMarketCap diamonds. And the airdrops will show different campaigns that are created. And lastly, you have Learn, where you can learn about news of different cryptocurrencies. And for example, research any videos, glossaries, and academies in regards to cryptocurrencies, exchanges, etc. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.